Hi, just doing a quick recording to let you know how to fix this issue with BNZ transactions being doubled up. From what we can see, a number of clients have had their transactions from the 6th of April. They've been imported again this morning on the 7th of for the 7th of April transactions. So you just need to take extra care when reconciling. I've tried to recreate the issue in the demo Xero file. So I'm just in the bank reconciliation screen here, and you can see they've got the $14.30 and the $35 on the 6th of April, and they've been imported again on the 7th of April, as well as another actual valid transaction for the 7th of April. Okay, so basically I think the key thing is to refer back to your bank statement or your internet banking. So you might want to have that open on the screen next to you or on your phone while you're reconciling. So the idea is to reconcile the transactions that are correct, and we want to leave the incorrect transactions behind for now. Okay, so I'll reconcile that one on the 6th of April. Reconcile that one there, and then that one there on the 7th of April, that's correct as well. So we're left with two transactions that have essentially been entered into Xero twice, so we want to delete them. Okay, so options, delete statement line, yes, and then options, delete statement line, and yes. Okay, now the balance is on the screen here. You want to make sure that your balance there is actually what the balance was last night on your internet banking. Yeah, if you've got any concerns, drop us a line and we can have a closer look for you. Cheers.